morning. I am Raju, your friend. In this video, we will create a project to search the colleges in the country. If we write any country name and search the university or colleges for that country, then your all country list show inside this box. Nothing happening because we have only created a basic layout. We have not added functionality to this project. So let's start this project. You can see we have written some basic HTML or CSS code. We have created a title college list which showing in the top of this program, and a list container. In the list container, all the college details data shows in the form of list. We have created a OL list because it is a order list. We have to show all the information of a college in the form of order list. So we have created a order list tag, and after that we have created a search box div. In the search box div, input tag and search btn we have created. So first we have to add functionality, but after that I am telling about you a hopscotch. This is the API checking website. When we search hopscotch and open this website, when we give it a API endpoint and send, then it's give all the information. You can see alpha to code tr name of University of Kenya, and this is web page, and also given the state because state provinces is null. So we need to print all the university which is present on that country. So let me first give you endpoint of the university, which URL gives you all the information about the university of that country. So search Hop University, then it's give your Hop University API list. Wait, Hop University domain list. When we click on that link, it goes to the GitHub, and when we scroll down, then you can see here API. We will copy this API. So first we will copy that and copy and paste to hopscotch. So Control V and remove this parameter middle name. So when we remove that, then send, and you can see here all the information about that university. If you give its country name to India and send, then you can see all the university of India which is present in India. Ardava College of Engineering, Bhagwan Parashuram Institute of Technology, and University of Pathologism and Energy Studies. So we need to copy this API and endpoint. So copy that and go to the JS file and create a URL. Let URL is equal to in the string form and Control V. we will remove the country because we will enter the country in the form of input. So let URL and a let country. So we have to add the functionality to the this button. We have to add the functionality or event to this search button, because when we click on that, when we clicking on that, nothing happening because we have not added any event listener to this button. So let's add event listener to this button. So for adding the event listener, we need to have access of the button. So let btn is equal to document.querySelector, and we will give here class name, which is search btn. So copy the class name and paste inside this string block with dot. Now by writing this line, we have access of the btn. So now we will add the event listener to this btn dot add event listener, and here event click event will perform, and next parameter is a function. First we will access the input, because when we enter your country data, so we need to search. So let country is equal to document dot query selector, and put here input dot value. We will first print the value of country in the console. So console dot log print value of country, and run this code. And when we enter, first we need to open your console window, go to the console window, and when we enter to India and search, you can see here printed India. So everything is right. So after that, we have to create a function get colleges. This function takes country. First, this function takes URL and give all the information about your colleges. So here your late colleges, and when we print, first it will take URL. So we have to give URL. So URL and country also. We have to append both a string in one line. So after that, we have to create a function get colleges, and it will take URL. Now we have to this function we have to made this function to asynchronous because we have to calling a API, and API takes time, so we need to wait at that point because this function will take some time to give all the information about the college. So we need to write here await, and for using await keyword we have to made this function to async asynchronous. So after that we need to also made this function to asynchronous because this is the main function. In this get college function we have to call the endpoint which gives all the information about the college, so we need to wait. So we need to made this function to asynchronous. So after that, one more point to careful search XOS. When we search this, get the started, go to the GitHub link on the XOS. So, and after that, we need to go tap to this XOS public and scroll down and go to the CDN link. So after clicking on CDN, we have to copy this line and copy this line and paste to the your HTML file before your script tab, and after that we will we have access to use XVS which takes URL and gives data. So here we will let response is equal to await because we have to made this asynchronous function. So await and this is XVS dot get, and we will give URL. So wait and watch. We will print on the console of the result. So console.log response. Run the all the program. So write country here and search. Here you can see your India printed and the object printed. Data is your 462 data in this form. When we print the data, response dot data. When we write country name and search, and here you can see we have colleges array. Here your object 1, object 2, object 3, object 4, and lots of arrays. We have the arrays length. We have the array length 462. It means in the India there are 462 university presents. So we will return this. We will return this to the function. So after that, your all data will present on the colleges. When we print these colleges, console.log console.log, and when we console the window of all colleges, so colleges, and after that go to the program and search again, we can see same result as previous. So we need to show all the information of colleges in this box. So let's create one more function, show all the data. Okay, show all data. It takes colleges array and create the function colleges show all data. This function takes in the parameter form colleges, and we will run a loop because there are lots of university present in the colleges array. So for college college of colleges, in every looping we have to console all the value of college's name. We have to console college's name. So console.log colleges college dot name. When we write this name and run this code and search for India, and you can see here all the information of the university name printed in the console window. So now we have one work to create a element list and add to this window or add to this box. So for this we need to access of this OL tag. So OL is equal to document.query selector and gives id name to OL, and inside the loop we have to create an element of list element. So let li is equal to document dot create element li li and li dot inner text is equal to value of the colleges. So copy this and print here. After that we need to append the value of this li or this element to this OL tag or into the box. So let's append. So we need to append into this OL tag. So we have already access of OL. So OL dot append child, and in the parameter we will give element li. When we run this code, search for India and search. Here you can see all the colleges list is showing. Here you can see there are 462 list. So when we have one problem on this project, because when we search one time and when we write we will search for one more country, Turkey, and search. You can see here your Turkey colleges started after the India's colleges. So we need to remove all the Indian colleges. So go to the JS file, and when we will call to show data, before adding all the information we need to give OL inner text. OL dot inner text is equal to null, no, empty string. And now we will run this code. Search for Turkey 184, and last is your Axiad Tankid University, and again search for India. Here you can see all the details of Turkey colleges removed and Indian colleges shows. So this is your final project. You can modify this project to a beautiful project. So I am giving you homework. We have searching the colleges on the basis of the country, but you need to filter the all colleges of India in the basis of its state or cities. So thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.